Tired of switching back and forth between apps? Let me show you a cool trick. How to use split screen and multi-windows on your Android phone. So, let's get right into it. First, go to Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience. Next, tap on Split View and toggle it on. Now, the fun part. Open any app you want. Then, using 3 fingers, swipe up to the right on your screen. After that, just open another app, and boom! Your screen will automatically split into 2 windows. This way, you can watch videos like on TikTok or computing your business cash flow or chatting in Messenger or whatever you like, all at the same time. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs someone Android hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.